Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel and home friends. As hope you are fine. Viewers, in this video I am sharing new amazing stylish all about decor designs, and viewers, you will enjoy these different style ideas which I am share with you, and that's are very amazing new and creative styles. इस वीडियो में आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं डिफरेंट आइडियाज़. तो फ्रेंड्स, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बहुत ही अमेजिंग आइडियाज़ you can enjoy this video, amazing ideas. And friends, hope so you like this video. Any best ideas I am sharing with you. Subscribe my YouTube channel, that's I share with you. You can enjoy this video and stylish pattern in this video I am introducing with you. I hope so guys you like this video. New and elegant styles, beautiful and attractive ideas in this video I am introduced, and viewers, that's make a great styles. Viewers, I am sharing with you in this video different designs, elegant table art ideas in this video. I am share and subscribe this channel. Viewers, you have to like this video. You can enjoy my ideas and stylish ideas in this video. Viewers, I am introducing with you. Hope so guys you like this video. New and best designs, that are very attractive ideas, elegant paper designs. So guys, subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope so viewers you will enjoy my video. Elegant and stylish ideas, beautiful home decor ideas, that are very amazing. New and stylish pattern I am introducing with you. Stylish designs in this video I am introduced, that are very unique, elegant designs. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Viewers, hope so you will enjoy this video. New and elegant pattern in this video I am introducing with you. Subscribe viewers this channel, and I hope so you have to like this video, and you can enjoy my ideas that are completely different to each other, and different amazing ideas I share with you. Guys, like this video, and hope so you will enjoy my ideas that are very amazing styles in this video which I share. Maximum different designs in this video I am introducing.